Hey, I'm Peyton Gray with Grace Tire and Service Centers. We have been in business for 26 years and have been blessed to open 7 locations. Wetumpka,
Welcome to Grace Tire and Service Center in Wetumpka. I'm your store manager, Dylan Perez.
I'm Joseph, and I'm your assistant manager.
Redland Road, Wetumpka,
Welcome to Grace Tire Service Center, Redland Road. I'm TJ, your store manager.
I'm Luke, and I'm your assistant manager.
I'm Brandon, and I'm your assistant manager.
Montgomery,
Hey, welcome to Grace Tire and Service Center in Montgomery. I'm Dan, your manager.
And I'm Jonathan, your assistant store manager.
Auburn,
Welcome to Grace Tire and Service Center in Auburn, Alabama. I'm your general manager, Con.
Hey, I'm William, and I'm your service advisor.
Hey, I'm Matthew, and I'm your service advisor.
Prattville,
Welcome to Grace Tire and Service Center in Prattville. I'm Lance, I'm your manager.
Hi, I'm Gabe, and I am your assistant manager.
I'm Justin Holly, I'm your service advisor.
Tallahassee,
Hey, welcome to Grace Tire and Service Center here in Tallahassee. My name is Rory, and I'm the store manager.
And my name's Jacob, I'm the assistant manager.
and Clanton.
Welcome to Grace Tire and Service Center in Clanton, Alabama. My name is David, and I am your manager.
My name is Prince, and I am your service advisor.
I'm John, and I'm your service advisor.
My name is Chad, and I'm your service advisor.
Grace Tire and Service Center was founded by David Gray, who began the business at the age of 22. The company's roots trace back to its foundation, where David placed a strong emphasis on establishing the business's core values, whatever it takes, and do the right thing. These principles form the foundation of Grace Tire and Service Center's operations, guiding its growth and development over the years. Throughout its history, Grace Tire and Service Center has experienced growth and success thanks to its commitment to quality service, integrity, and community engagement. As the business continues to evolve, it remains dedicated to upholding its core values while adapting to the changing needs of the customers and the community.